Hey friends, how are you? It's day 5 after my, let's put this here. How's that? Is that good? Yeah, okay. It's day 5 after my neck lift and rhinoplasty revision to fix a collapsed cartilage in here from an old WWE injury. I had a lip implant that had shifted laterally. So Dr. Peter Raphael fixed all that and he reshaped my trachea because I had a little bit of cartilage, excuse me, that was left. But I am, oh my gosh, wholly yellowing and beginning of bruising. Look at all this. I'm starting to raccoon eye right here. And yes, before you say anything, I am taking a lot of arnica. So thank you everyone who was going to say something. I really appreciate that. I appreciate so much that you guys care and all the positive comments that are getting me through all the pain. Speaking of which, it is day 5. I'm off pain medication. So it's been a really incredible recovery. I'm super excited about that. And I'm looking forward to getting this nose capped off next Monday. I go in next Monday. I have splints in here, so they're gonna pull everything out. It's gonna be kind of gross. I'm a little like, oh God. And they're gonna take my staples out. I've got staples that run all the way back here. And the reason I did this is I had a bunch of loose skin from my first surgery, my facial feminization surgery that was back in May of this year. And so Dr. Raphael, he took out so much bone from my lower mandible and he did a chin reduction on me. And what happened is that I ended up with loose skin. And then I'd lost so much weight from losing all the muscle mass. Remember, I was a 280-pound bodybuilder. I was like 6 to 8% body fat all year round. I lost so much weight that I just had like these bands of skin every time I would smile or move my neck, and I could just see it bunching up here, and I was very self-conscious about it. It just didn't align with what I had tried to do with my facial surgery. So I went back in for the revision. It was something for me. Did I need to do it? I didn't have to, no. But I opted to do it because it made me feel more comfortable in my skin. And I always say, love who you are. Know what you are and love who you are. And be okay with all of that. And there's just sometimes a certain point where when you look in the mirror, if you don't like what you see, I always say, change it. And so that's what I did. I didn't like what I was seeing. It was affecting my self-confidence. And in order for me to be the best me, I have to be confident. And so that's why I did it. Also, really quick, this has put a lot of things into perspective for me and how expensive these surgeries are. And I wanted to take a quick moment and remind everyone that my nonprofit organization, the Live Your Truth Foundation, we just got approved for our 501c3 the day before my surgery. It was Wednesday of this past week. So I'm super excited about that. We're 3 months early. If you do want to donate, there's a link in the bio. We are giving back to trans men and trans women this Christmas.